But a lot of restaurants actually I have seen on social media or places that they start their discount at 55.
Oh, they're in US?
Mm-hmm. They just call it, yeah, senior citizen discount, 10% or whatever. And then they just look at your driver's license or some other kind of ID for your birthday. Yeah, no, there's no citizen. There's no senior citizen ID there. And there's no mandatory anything discount.
Diretso to your classroom, okay? Yes?
Okay.
Your daddy will accompany you.
I'll just get your bag out of the trunk. Well,
Bye.
yeah, bye.
I have classmate over there. Accompany him to go forward.
I just approached the pen.
My phone. I'll check what is Wookie doing.
Looking around with his Apple.
Yeah. Sometimes he will cry if he sees me that I'm checking on him. This is 5 kilos. Yeah, there's a lot of 5 kilos. The baby came out 4 kilos. My goodness. Oh my gosh, that's so big.